Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Soltmeyer and I'm just going to go into how I got started with Beachbody. From a young age, let's just start there. At age of 6, I was diagnosed with thyroid disease, and as a teenager, I battled with major depression and also emotional eating disorder. This went all through my grad school years, and I hit a point where I felt like I was at rock bottom in a sense, but I was really good at covering it up, so master of covering things up at that point. But anyways, I hit a point where I knew I needed to change, and I had moved back to rural New Mexico where I didn't have access to a gym, and so I looked at home videos, and I needed something that would kick my butt and get me out of my mind, and like most things I say, to be more mindful and stuff, I was at a point of I needed out of my mind because that was part of my issue. So I started searching for programs and I found Beachbody programs. I actually realized that I had owned several of them and had even contemplated in doing Shakeology when I was in grad school, but cost just didn't work. But I was at a point in my life where I could do this now. So I ended up losing 25 pounds, and that's when it all started. And with that, seeing that empowerment that I gained, I not only had a physical transformation, but an inner transformation. I started to see that I was in control of who I was as a person, and that I could make the changes if I set the goals to make those changes. So I didn't even know about the coaching opportunity at all. And I just started spreading the word about it. Like, oh yeah, I lost, 25 pounds, feeling amazing, feeling renewed, feeling empowered. And when the Beachbody business opportunity, I got an email, actually, is how I even heard of it. So I honestly just signed up once I kind of talked it over with family and said, I'm already sharing the stories. I'm already spreading the word about the programs, why not? And because I wanted other people to see that also and see, get the same experiences that I did. So I spread the word and started out that way. Little did I know it was going to be so much more. So at first, fitness programs, products, kind of the basic stuff. You think, most of you guys could be thinking this sounds like other things out there, but it wasn't. It was so much more. When I started delving into the business side and the vital behaviors and how personal development was a huge part of being a coach, that's what got me. I started deciding, who do I want to be, who do I want to become, and who do I want to influence around me, and how do I want to influence them around me. And that was a huge guiding force because I had more of a realization of who I was wanting to become. And with that, I started to gain confidence in who I already was and the person that, those flaws that I was trying to hide and felt like made me less of a person, realizing that, those weaknesses that I've gone through all those years were actually my strengths and were actually empowering me. I just wasn't using them correctly. So, crazy, but Beachbody did that for me and still does that for me. And with that, I've gained a much bigger vision of it's not about me. It's so much more that there are people around me that could gain the same experience and inner transformation like I did, that they could gain the confidence they need to achieve goals, to make goals even. People have forgotten how to dream, and this has taught me how to dream again and to believe that I'm unstoppable and that I can achieve those dreams no matter what I do. And, I know I am willing to work towards my dreams because I'm worth it. And, my vision is to help others do the same, whether it's financial freedom, best shape of their lives, whatever it is. I know that through Beachbody, they can achieve it. And that's what's amazing. It's not, we are not Beachbody, but Beachbody provides us the tools to really create those dreams that we want. And, I have every inch of me knows that I will achieve my dreams, and that when I do start a family, I will be able to stay home with my family and be able to have a life that I've only dreamed of. And I know that with my team, it's going to be the same exact thing, because I know the people that come onto my team are all driven and highly motivated and so caring and giving. And that's what this team's all about. And that's what I love about it. And I appreciate about it, because each one of us is lifting one another higher. So that kind of gives you a glimpse on everything. But most of all, it started with a physical transformation, turned into an inner transformation, and then transformed into a vision, goals, and dreams. So there you go. Thanks so much. Bye.